Imagine creating unlimited art and videos completely free. We've tested 100% generators so you don't have to. Here are the absolute best ones that won't drain your wallet. Start with Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3 free tier, and Midjourney's free trial. Playground Eye offers unlimited generations with credits. Leonardo Eye gives you daily tokens. Crayon remains the easiest entry point for beginners. Each has unique strengths. Some excel at realism, others at artistic styles. Test several to find your perfect fit. Runway ML transforms images into videos with zero cost initially. Pika Labs offers free credits monthly. D creates talking avatar videos for videos. Free Day in which Tree generates videos free tier. Synthesia has limited free tier. Steve A generates videos from text. These platforms remove barriers between imagination and creation. Start with Runway for visual transformation capabilities, master prompt engineering to maximize free tier usage, use specific descriptors, lighting, art style, composition details. Comp your art strategically, hyper-realistic oil painting beats beautiful picture. Batch your generations during peak free credit periods. Reference artists by name. Test variations with minimal changes to understand each platform's algorithm. Create multiple accounts where permitted for additional credits. Join community Discord servers for bonus tokens. Refer friends for extended trials. Time your usage strategically. Some platforms refresh daily limits at specific hours. Download results immediately. Start with lower resolution to conserve unlimited potential indefinitely. Like this video and subscribe. Drop a comment. Which generator will you try first?